This nail school is a special one because what we're doing is creating custom blends from our acrylic powders, and the colors that you're gonna see are unreal. It's gonna separate your services apart from everybody else's. Right now on Nail School. All right, bro, mixing custom colors, but first let's juggle.
So a lot of our diehard fans out there have been seeing some of the posts of Cover Pink and Core White and asking like, I don't understand, like how are you guys using it to create that color? Well, we're gonna show you guys actually how to take 4 of our favorite colors to make 2 extremely beautiful pink nude nails. And when I show you guys how easy it is to mix these colors, I guarantee you guys are going to be able to create a look that's going to separate your customers' nails from everyone that surrounds you. Watch how easy this is to do. All right, so what I'm gonna show you guys is an incredible way to mix powders. We have a 45-gram French pink and frosted pink. We have a 45-gram core white and cover powder. Watch how easy this process is. I have some Ziploc bags. What I'm going to do is open up my French and frosted. I'm gonna open up my bag, and I'm just going to pour both of them inside the bag, just like this. And I'm going to seal it. I'm going to do the same thing with core white and cover pink. Let's just go ahead and open this up. This is really the best way for you to get an even dispersion of the color. And what you do is you're going to create basically 90 grams of custom powder. So, as you can see, right, that mix that I have right here, okay, watch this. As soon as it seals, what I'm going to do as I tumble the powder, look at how well it blends so fast. Look at that, it's perfect. And I'm gonna show you this. This is frosted pink and French. I'm gonna do the same exact thing. Just going to tumble the powder. It's a lot easier to do this than throw it inside a jar because at least you'll be able to create a large quantity. If you're working with 85 grams of each as well, then you're going to be able to make 170 grams of powder. Just going to open this up. And we're going to dispense this powder back inside the jar, as you can see. And this is my French and frosted. And let's go ahead and take this jar right here. And I'm gonna do the same exact thing. I'm just gonna open up one side, and I had made my new custom nude powder. Just like that. So again, we have taken 4 powders and we have created 2 incredible mixes, and what I'm going to show you guys is what they look like when I sculpt them out. So this is the Cover Pink and Core White mix. I want to show you how pretty this color is. We're going to build the free edge first so that everyone can actually see how pretty this color is. And then we'll sculpt out the rest of the body. you can see how, take a look at how gorgeous this pink is. So it has a slight transparency because of the French, but is just on the natural side. It's an extremely beautiful color. So as you can see, before they're both filed out, they're, again, a little bit of transparency, but just absolutely gorgeous. And again, this nude is absolutely stunning. Watch what they look like when they're filed out and finished. As you can see, these two pinks are absolutely stunning. This nude color is so pretty. And the best part about this right here is it has a little bit of transparency where you can actually see her lanula in the back end. Just enough of a natural to act as a cover. But again, two custom pinks created with 4 powders. You guys obviously know how to mix them now. It's just a matter of putting them to work. So remember, when you're actually taking your Young Nails powders, don't mix them in a jar. Get yourself a plastic bag, take the even amounts, dump them in. It makes it really, really easy to mix to create those custom colors your customers are going to love.